In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use a debit Visa gift card on Roblox. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you might be aware, a Visa debit gift card is the same thing as a standard debit card. So all that you have to do to purchase any amount of Robux is to visit the website and proceed to checkout, where you have the option to pay with a debit card. So go to roblox.com through a web browser on your computer or your phone and sign into the account where you want to purchase the Robux. Now click on the Robux icon and then select the first option, Buy Robux. You are going to be redirected to this page. You can browse through single purchase Robux packages over here on your local currency, or access the subscription plans at the right, which contain more features. But I would highly recommend purchasing one of these packages if you have a Visa gift card, because if you do the subscription, eventually you could run out of balance on the card. So choose whichever amount you want to purchase. You will be redirected to this page, and now all that you have to do is choose the option to pay using a debit card. It is extremely straightforward. Like I said, most standard Visa debit gift cards are going to be accepted here. So all that you have to do is enter the card information, choose your country or region, and after you include the card information, email, and then your own name here under the cardholder's name, you will be able to finish making this purchase. It is extremely straightforward and there shouldn't be any additional charges. You can include your own address under the zip code and you will be good to go. If your specific Visa debit gift card does not go through and it isn't accepted, then unfortunately there is nothing to do and the specific gift card that you have will not be accepted here. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware that using a debit Visa gift card on Roblox is possible, but some specific ones won't be accepted. I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.